Cool.
Just think about the anatomy, right?
There you
All in where you finger just
Slight extension
all
and then
three on
pin.
this girl.
go. There you go.
I mean, and I have position one.
There you go. Nice and smooth.
All right, so those are the 4 different reductions you just saw on 4 different joints: finger, elbow, and shoulder, and hip. Question here: how do you practice CPR skill? Answer will be on CPR mannequin like this one. Simple one. They're expensive ones also, but simple. Just simple ones. So you get to practice, you can improve, and then you get tested, and then you can get a certification, CPR certification by American Heart or Red Cross. But you got to have it. There's no way around it as a healthcare provider. You got to have it, right? What about reduction technique? Let's think about it. Is there any way to practice? No. Usually, people practice on actual dislocated joint, right? Which means there's no way to know when it's gonna happen. And then how many people get to practice that? Only one person. Okay, there was a ER drama called Pit, this one. And one of the episodes, there's a posterior hip dislocation patient came in, and one resident get picked to practice the Captain Morgan technique. And that's the usual way, even right now, right? That's a way to teach and practice on live patient. So, to me, that's the problem. And I found a solution. So my simulators, finger, elbow, shoulder, and hip dislocation simulators are task trainers. It simulates dislocation, but also it's a task trainer to practice reduction technique. You have to learn how to position yourself, how to hold a certain body parts, and then how to apply, how fast you apply traction or certain body moves to achieve those clamps. You can feel the clamp as many as you want. Okay? If you ask somebody, say, hey, have you ever done shoulder reduction on shoulder dislocation? Yeah. The clamp, yeah. Ask them how you describe it, how was it? There's no way to explain how they feel like. You need to experience. Okay? And those people, they practice on live patient, and then they learn how to apply pressures or any kind of body move to achieve the clamp. But you cannot transfer that to somebody, okay? And I found a solution. Again, our products are task trainers. So if you're interested in our product, please click the link. The picture of all the models, that's an order page. You can go straight and you will see the price, how much would that be. If it's too much, I understand that, and I offer workshop, okay? So please contact Toki at mn-medical.com, okay? And then I offer workshop. It takes about 1 hour, 30 minutes pop-up presentation and 30 minutes hands-on training, and done. Okay, so 25 people as a cap for one session. I can do pop-up presentation for 200 people or 2,000 people at one time, but I bring 1 set or 2 sets of my models, and it just, there's no way to accommodate 2,000 people, 200 people. So 25 is the cap. Okay, so again, if you're interested, please contact Toki at mn-medical.com. So, thank you.